I guess old is relative. I'm repairing some windows that are probably 100, 125 years old. I put in some boiled linseed oil to soak the wood. And then I took some window glazer's putty, which is kind of like plumber's putty, kind of like a stale marshmallow. And then I smoothed it with this soft old putty knife. It's probably 50 years old. And I noticed the window was splitting here at the bottom. The wood just split, so I went into my supply of antique nails and I found some nice square nails. 150-year-old nails for a 150-year-old window. Nice antiques. Never throw anything away. These are nails that I pulled out of wooden boards. This is before nails were just extruded wire, and they clamp it under the head and they stamp it. Well, they clamp it at the top and then they stamp the head into it. These were made in an old machine. Anyways, I found one small one right there. And I'm going to install one small nail after I get some glue, which I don't have. I'm going to get some glue, glue that, and put in one small square head nail. So I'm doing an authentic repair on an authentic old window in an authentic old building with hand-hewed and pit sawn lumber and cedar posts holding the place up. Yep, pit sawed wood. Maybe with an electric motor, maybe with a horse run motor, maybe big squirrels. The old coal bin. Yep, the coal bin. I'll show you one more thing. I'll show you the oldest sheetrock that you'll ever see. Right there. Can you see it, or is it too bright? 3 layers of sheetrock with paper in between. That's the oldest sheetrock you'll probably ever see. Probably 100-year-old 1920s sheetrock with some 1820s bricks. Yep, old. No Portland cement in that mortar. It's just lime and sand. Stinking old in an old horse bucket. Thick galvanized coating. Thick, heavy. Beautifully made. Gotta love this old stuff. Another one there. Old mop bucket. Alright, I gotta fix my window. I'm all equipped. Keep it authentic.